Welcome to GGAS High Tech Labs, where seed sparks solutions of promising future meeting excellence of quality. GGAS High Tech Labs, a project of Gold Agri Seeds Private Limited, is one of the first ESTA International Seed Testing Association membered private laboratory in Pakistan, serving our seed fellows and valuable customers throughout the Pakistan to ensure life in seed for the security of bountiful harvest. Our commercialized post-entry quarantine unit is licensed with Department of Plant Protection Pakistan and contributing to import seed from last 5 years, covering all terms and conditions of quarantine for the availability of pest and disease-free seed.
GGAS High Tech Labs is committed to its vision with the support of highly trained researcher team specialized in all seed-related testing services. For example, seed germination, viability, vigor, and all matters related to seed storage. We have another expert team for DNA testing and profiling in our molecular lab. As an ESTA, International Seed Testing Association member lab, we strictly adhere to quality standards to deliver you accurate and internationally recognized seed testing services for more than 50 crops for the accomplishment of our mission towards quality seed.
GGAS High Tech Lab, country's first commercial seed testing, post-entry quarantine unit and molecular research facility established with the mission to ensure the availability of healthy, certified and quality seed for better yield and food security.
High Tech Labs comprises of post-entry quarantine unit, central seed testing lab, seed pathology lab, microclimate plant growth stations, molecular biology and genetics lab.
Entry quarantine station will ensure the safer and legal exchange of the imported seeds through the comprehensive seed inspection.
Central seed testing lab that provides reliable data of germination, purity and performance, supporting producers and consumers.
Our seed pathology lab is specialized in detecting and evaluating diseases, particularly from seed and plant origin. We are using advanced ELISA test and microbial culture techniques.
Our microclimate plant growth station simulates natural conditions with precise control over light, temperature and humidity during data recording.
Molecular biology and genetic lab employs advanced genomics that guarantee genetic purity of both imported and locally produced seeds.
GGAS High Tech Labs is not just a laboratory. We are partner in your agriculture success by providing quality seeds.
GGAS High Tech Labs, where seed sparks solutions.